Welcome to our channel. Repurposing an old smartphone as a security camera is an eco-friendly way to add home monitoring without purchasing expensive camera systems. Step 1. Choose your old smartphone, ensuring it has a working camera, can connect to Wi-Fi, and still holds enough battery charge to run for extended periods. Step 2. Download a security camera app like Alfred Camera, Manything, or IP Webcam on both your old phone that will become the camera and your current phone for viewing. Step 3. Create an account in your chosen app and sign in on both devices to link them together. Step 4. Position your old phone in the location you want to monitor, ensuring it has a clear view of the area and is placed securely so it won't fall. Step 5. Connect your old phone to power using its charger since it will need to run continuously, preventing the battery from draining during monitoring. Step 6. Configure camera settings, including motion detection sensitivity, recording quality, and whether to save footage to the cloud or locally. Step 7. Enable motion alerts, so you receive notifications on your current phone whenever the camera detects movement in the monitored area. Step 8. Set up proper lighting in the monitored area or enable night vision if your phone's camera supports low light recording. Step 9. Test the camera system by walking in front of it and verifying you receive alerts and can view the live stream on your current device. Step 10. Consider adding multiple old phones in different locations throughout your home to create a complete security system. Your DIY security camera system is now monitoring your home affordably. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.